I wish there would be an AI image generator that also can edit the images. Wait, there is actually. Let me show you Supermachine's new feature, edit with a prompt. This is Supermachine. It's an image generator tool with not only one model, like for example only Midjourney, only Flux. No, you have like dozens of different AI models you can choose from. I think right now they are about have 50 or 60. This is pretty insane. You can choose really every model you want and go create. Let me show you some of the images I did. This one was done with Flux Anime, and I think they look pretty sick. This one with Supermachine Reality was a little different than I was expecting, to be honest. Maybe because my prompt also was pretty bad. And this here are some outputs from this new edit with a prompt feature. I think this also looks pretty cool. This is Supermachine 1. It's also a brand new AI model, and I think this is pretty impressive. This could be like almost from a movie. But let's go straight into this new tool. You go here on Tools, you go here to Instruct. You choose an image from your generated image, or you can upload one. Let's choose this Viking guy. Only one tip here: if you do upload an image, be sure that the image is smaller than 1 megabyte. I think it's megabyte, yeah. I know it's pretty small, but these are the restrictions right now. So you do need a Google AI Studio API key. You just get it if you click use this button. Then you're gonna jump into your AI Studio. You're gonna create an API key. You copy it. Where was I? You paste here your API key. Don't steal mine, please. And then you insert your prompt. And I'm gonna say change the Warhammer to a construction. I'm really good at writing construction hammer. So let's see what we get. I recommend do at least 2 or 3 different generations for be sure you have some variations in the output. So we're gonna wait like a few seconds, and here comes the first. This looks pretty cool. And this is a construction hammer, obviously. So let's compare with the first one. And this is a Warhammer, and we just change that to a construction hammer. Alright, now yes, that's that. Now let's say we want. Now let's say we are happy with the hammer, but we want to change the background. Change the background to a sunset. So here we have the other 3 and the other 2. We see hammer, but now I want to see how I'm gonna look sunset with this Viking. Here we go. Alright, that looks pretty sick. I do see that he changed a little the hair, but that's okay. What if we try change the perspective to top down shot. Let's see what we get. Alright. I mean, yeah, it's a top-down shot. I don't know what he has here in the hands, but it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, let's change something different. give the Viking sunglasses. So let's see how the Viking gonna look with some sunglasses. Alright. Okay, here he also got a sunburn and how is that called in English? I don't know, just drop me in the comments if you do know. But that's okay. I mean, he has sunglasses, right? So, I'm just curious, how is this tool gonna look in the future? I mean, I think they just launched it today or yesterday, and I'm impressed with the quality overall. Of course, there are some hiccups. It's not perfect yet, but I'm sure they're gonna make it a lot better than it's now. And even now, it's pretty cool. You can change a lot in the pictures. Because I mean, I think maybe you know this moment, like you created an AI image, and it was almost perfect. Almost. There was this one tiny thing you would like to change, but if you regenerate it, it looks totally different. We all was there. So this is a pretty cool feature that let you change parts of the images with just one prompt. Try it out. I have here a link down below for a lifetime deal from Supermachine where you pay once and you can use it forever. Go check it out and thank me later.